ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। पेज नंबर 850, तृतीय अध्याय, अष्टम ब्राह्मण, अक्षर ब्राह्मण। Gargi said, with the permission of all the Sabhasada Acharya Brahmana, that if I get your approval, I will ask 2 questions to Yajnavalkya. If he answers those questions, nobody from here will be able to win over Yajnavalkya. So they gave approval. She said, just as the king of Kashi or Videha, how they put the Jakam, it is called. The Pratyancha is called as Jakam. Tied on the Dhanush, on the bow, and they release the sharp arrows to trouble the enemies. Like that, I'm going to ask 2 questions, sharp, causing trouble to you, O Yajnavalkya. See the Bhashya, 3rd line. पूज्यम अवतारित ज्याकम धनु पुनः अधिज्यम आरोपित ज्याकम कृत्वा द्वौ बाणवन्तौ बाण शब्देन शराग्रे यो वंशखण्डः संधीयते। पूज्यम अवतारित ज्याकम and punah adijyam aropita jakam. So there where the string is untied and then later tied. Tied for what? Kritva dvau banamantau, ban shabdena, 2 arrows. What are the arrows? Arrows are sharagre yo vamshakhandaha sandhiyate. At the top of which there is a vamshakhanda, like an iron piece, triangular. Why this Visheshana is given? Tena vina api sharo bhavati iti ato vishinashti banavantau iti. Without that arrow on top, it is called sharaha. With the arrow, it is called bana. Tena means banena, second number tippani. Dvau banavantau sharau tayoreva visheshanam sapatnati vyadinau शत्रोः पीडाकरौ अतिशयेन हस्ते कृत्वा उपोत्तिष्ठेत् समीपत आत्मानं दर्शयेत् एवमेवाहं त्वां शरस्थानीयाभ्यां प्रश्नाभ्यां द्वाभ्याम् उपोदस्थाम् उत्थितवती अस्मि त्वत्समीपे। द्वौ बाणवन्तौ शरौ, the 2 arrows with the tip तयोः एव विशेषणम, तयोः of the शरः, शरो, शरोः विशेषणम। सपत्नाति व्याधिनौ, सप, this is given in the mantra, सपत्नाति व्याधिनौ। सपत्न means शत्रु, व्याधि means पीड़ा। so शत्रोः पीडाकरौ अतिशयेन, अतिशयेन पीडाकरौ। हस्ते कृत्वा उपोत्तिष्ठेत्, keeping them in my hand, the arrows। उपोत्तिष्ठेत्, समीपत आत्मानं दर्शयेत्। कः?
Gargi.
काश्यः वैदेहः, काशी नरेश और विदेह नरेश। आत्मानं दर्शयेत्, एवं एवाहम्, नाउ इट इज गार्गी। सो एम आई स्टैंडिंग हियर। त्वा त्वां शरस्थानीयाभ्यां प्रश्नाभ्यां द्वाभ्यां, शरस्थानीय आर द क्वेश्चंस, प्रश्नाभ्यां द्वाभ्यां प्रश्नाभ्यां, उपोदस्थां उत्थितवती अस्मि, आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर। For that, the shabda in the mantra was upodastham. Utthitavati is the anuvada. Utthitavati asmi, where tvat samipe, in front of you. I am standing here. Tau me bruhi iti brahmavid ched. Tau me bruhi. Answer those questions to me. If you are brahmavid, brahmavid ched, see in the tika. प्रश्न संधीयते स उच्यत इति शेषः। संधीयते was there in the fourth line. वंशखंडः संधीयते, स उच्यते, बाण शब्देन उच्यते। प्रश्नयोर अवश्य प्रत्युत्तरणीयत्वे ब्रह्मिष्ठत्व अंगीकारो हेतुरित्याह। प्रश्नयोः अवश्य प्रत्युत्तरणीयत्वम, you have to answer my questions. So याज्ञवल्क्य जी में से, why should I answer your questions? ब्रह्मिष्ठत्व अंगीकारो हेतु, because you have accepted that you are brahmishtha. Taking away cows means declaring yourself as brahmishtha. So if you are brahmishtha, brahmavid chet tau me bruhi. तौ तयोः उत्तरम, प्रश्नयोः उत्तरम। मह्यम, मे मीन्स मह्यम ब्रूहि इति। आह इतरः पृच्छ गार्गी इति। इतर आह याज्ञवल्क्यः, पृच्छ गार्गी आस्क गार्गी। साहोवाच यदूर्ध्वं याज्ञवल्क्य दिवो यदवाक् पृथिव्या यदंतरा ध्यावा पृथिवी इमे यद्भूतञ्च भवच्च भविष्यच्च इत्याचक्षते तस्मिंस्तद् ओतञ्च प्रोतञ्च इति। सा मैत्रेयी होवाच यद ऊर्ध्वं याज्ञवल्क्य, that which is above from here, ऊर्ध्वं याज्ञवल्क्य।
मैत्रेयी और गार्गी स्वामी जी।
गार्गी, गार्गी। Did I say Maitreyi? सा गार्गी वाच। यद ऊर्ध्वम याज्ञवल्क्य दिवो यद अवाक पृथिव्या। यद ऊर्ध्वम दिवः, in this way you have to do अन्वय। दिवः यद ऊर्ध्वम पृथिव्या यद अवाक, that which is above the द्युलोक, दिवः। And that which is below the prithvi, पृथिव्या यद अवाक। यद अंतरा, in the middle of both। इमे यद भूतम, ime means and also that which is diva and prithvi। द्यावा पृथ्वी, द्यावा पृथ्वी। दिव, दिव शब्द, दिवः is प्रथमा,
बहुवचनम।
दिव, दिव is the धातु, I mean प्रातिपदिक।
प्रथमा बहुवचनम, द्वितीया पंचमी षष्ठी स्वामी जी।
So that which is above the द्युलोक and below the prithvi, also that which is in the middle, that which are these two। यद भूतम च भवत च भविष्य च, that which was there in the past, present and future। इति आचक्षते कस्मिन् तद ओतं च प्रोतं च इति। व्हाट इज दैट इन विच दिस इज ओतं प्रोतं। 6 नंबर टिप्पणी यू सी, फर्स्ट यू सी 5 नंबर टिप्पणी। द्यावा पृथ्वी ये च इमे द्यावा पृथिव्यौ। द्यावा पृथ्वी इज छांदस, द्यावा पृथिव्यौ इट विल बी। देन कस्मिन् तत्, तत् मीन्स 7 नंबर टिप्पणी। उक्त द्वैत जातात्म सूत्रम, दिस द्वैत जात सूत्रम हिरण्यगर्भ। What is that in which this sutra Hiranyagarbha is otancha protancha? श्री भाष्य। सा होवाच यद ऊर्ध्वम उपरि दिवो अंड कपालादि it should be ukara should be अंड कपालाद्युच्च अवाक अधः उकार is missing. अंड कपालाद्युच्चावगाधः, तो उच्च अवाक अधः पृथिव्या, अधो अंड कपालादि उच्च अंतरा मध्ये द्यावा पृथिवी, द्यावा पृथिव्योः अंड कपालयोरिमे च द्यावा पृथिवी.
So, is it Andakapalat Yacha Antara?
Yacha antara. No, the first one. उपरी यद ऊर्ध्वम ऊर्ध्वम शब्द है there. ऊर्ध्वम उपरी दिवो अंड कपालात यच्च. Okay, then it can be yat. अंड कपालात ऊर्ध्वम. Okay. Yeah, then it will work. अंड कपालात ऊर्ध्वम उपरी and अंड कपालात अधो अंड कपालात यच्च अंतरा मध्ये, in this way. So ऊर्ध्वम means upari, divah, andakapalat yach avak, adhaha prithivya, that which is below the prithvi. Adho andakapalat yach antaram, antara madhye, that which is between the two. Dyava prithvi means dyava prithivyoho, andakapalayoho. So he is giving an example like two andakapalas are there. The above andakapala is like the top of that is divaha, above that. The below andakapala is prithvi, below that. But these andakapalas are not like two halves of prithvi. They are in a bigger context. And in the middle of Dyava Prithvi means, in the middle of that Dyava Prithvi also, what is there? Dyava Prithivyoho Andakapalayor ime cha Dyava Prithvi. These two, Dyuloka and Prithviloka. Yad bhutam yacha atitam bhavacha vartamanam. What was past means what was there in the past. Atitam means what will be there later. And vartamanam is bhavat, swavyaparastham, bhavishyach. Vartamanat urdhvakala bhavi, linga gamyam. What will happen later in time, which is known through linga, anumana. Yad sarvam etad achakshate. Achakshate. So this was said in the previous page. Agama vidaha, the knowers of Shastra. Achakshate. Achakshate is bahuvachanam. Kathayanti. Agamatas tat sarvam dvaita jatam yasmin eki bhavati ityarthaha. through Agama, Sarvam Dvaita Jatam Kathayanti. There where Yasmin Eki Bhavati. There where everything becomes one. Means there where what is seemingly different in Sutratma, in Hiranyagarbha, that Dvaita Jatam, there where it becomes one. Third number tippani. आगमैकगम्यस्य सूत्रस्य अनुमेयत्वं प्रजापति लोकादिवत् अयुक्तम् इति शंकित दोष निरासार्थम आह. आगमैकगम्यस्य सूत्रस्य, सूत्र विच इज आगम एकगम्य, अनुमेयत्वम, इट इज अनुमेय, प्रजापति लोकादिवत् अयुक्तम, it is प्रजापति लोकादिवत् अयुक्तम इति शंकित दोष निरासार्थम. Hiranyagarbha is anumeya. It is not appropriate if you do anumanam. Why? Because it is known only through agama. Agama ekagamyasya sutrasya anumeyatvam ayuktam. So he says agamataha acharya upadeshat ityartha. It is known through acharya upadesha. Five number tippani. सर्वं द्वैत जातम श्रुतियुक्तम दिव ऊर्ध्वादि रूपम यद्वैत जातम तेन तदाश्रयः सूत्रमेव विवक्षितम इति अभिप्रायेण आह. श्रुतियुक्तम दिव ऊर्ध्वादि रूपम, दिवः ऊर्ध्वम, फिफ्थ पंचमी विभक्ति, दिवः ऊर्ध्वादि रूपम यद्वैत जातम तेन तद आश्रय सूत्रमेव, इट्स आश्रय में भी सूत्रम, विवक्षितम इति अभिप्रायणाः. तत्सर्वं द्वैत जातम, व्हाट इज सूत्रम, यस्मिन् एकी भवति. सूत्र इज नोन इटसेल्फ थ्रू आगम. दैट इटसेल्फ वेयर इट इज ओतंच प्रोतंच. टीका. सूत्रस्य आधारे प्रष्टव्ये किमिति सर्वं जगद अनुद्यते तत्राह. What is the आधार of sutra? This is your question. Why you have to say sarvam jagat? So he says everything. Tat sarvam dvaita jatam. tat सूत्र संज्ञम पूर्वोक्तम कस्मिन् ओतंच प्रोतंच पृथ्वी धातु इव अपसु. पृथ्वी धातु अपसु ओतंच प्रोतंच. पृथ्वी substance द्रव्य is within jala and otam cha protam means horizontally, vertically, everything is within jalam. In the same way, this sutra sanyam, what is that in which this Hiranyagarbha is otam protam. टीका. पूर्वोक्तम सर्व जगदात्मकम इति यावत्. Whatever was said, Dyava, Prithvi, Antara, Bhutam, Bhavat, Bhavishyat, everything, all of that is included as Jagat. Previous page, see the Vartika. अत्र आहु वार्तिकाचार्यः कस्मिंस्तद् ओतञ्च प्रोतञ्च इति अत्र आहुः। सूत्रे तावदिदं सर्वमोतञ्च प्रोतमेव च वर्तमाने जगत्काल इति तावत् सुनिश्चितम्। सूत्रे तावत् इदं सर्वम ओतञ्च प्रोतम्। इदं सर्वम, what is known through pratyaksha is all otam protam in sutra. In vartamane jagat kale, in vartamana jagat kala, this is sunischitam. जगच्च अपि अनभिव्यक्तम आविर्भवति सांप्रतम व्यक्तिश्चेयं सतो युक्ताः नासतो घटते यतः। This jagat also anabhivyaktam, unmanifest, avirbhavati sampratam, it becomes manifest. Vyaktischeyam sato yukta. If it is an entity, vyakti, it has to be sat, it has to be existing. Na asato yataha ghatate. Asataha na ghatate. Asat vastu cannot be that in which this is. Or it is abhivyakta, so it has to be Satkaryavada, because he said Jagatcha api anabhivyaktam sampratam avirbhavati. Sampratam now. That which is or was unmanifest, now it becomes manifest. It is possible only if it was Sat in the Karanam, not Asat. अभिव्यक्तम च सदिदम पुनः अव्यक्ताम इतम वायुना विधृतम तस्य रूपम यद वार्तमानिकम. And what is अभिव्यक्तम सद्रूपेण गृह्यमाणम पुनः अव्यक्ताम इतम इतः परम अव्यक्ताम गच्छति. It becomes avyakta. Vyakta, then avyakta. Vayuna vidritam tasya rupam yad vartamanikam. Vayu here means Sutratma. Everything what is idam rupena jnatam is held by Sutratma. So what he is saying, what is pratyaksha nama rupa, which is known as Virat, is all held together by Hiranyagarbha, Sutratma. From Sutratma, it appears, it stays, then in Sutratma it disappears. So then the next question is that from where the Sutratma appears, what is that? Where Sutratma is finding its support. If Sthula Virat is finding its support in Sutratma, where does the Sutratma find its support? This is the question. टीका यथा प्रश्नम अनुद्य प्रत्युक्तिम आदत्ते. Yatha prashnam anudya. As the question was asked, Yajnavalkya ji first repeats the question. Then he gives the answer, pratyuktim. Why does he do that? 8 number tippani. अनुवाद अभावे निग्रह प्रसक्ते तदावश्यकत्वम. If the anuvada of the question is not done, there is nigraha prasakti. It is considered as one of the nigraha sthana. So it is as if you didn't pay attention to listen to the question properly, which happens many times. People don't listen to the question itself. So that's why he does anuvada of the prashna, which we know from the answers, from the mantra. See, सहोवाच यद ऊर्ध्वं गार्गी दिवो यदवाक् पृथिव्या यदंतरा द्यावा पृथिवी इमे यद भूतंच भवच्च भविष्यच्च इत्याचक्षत आकाशे तद ओतंच प्रोतंचेति. So the answer is only akashe tad otancha protancha. Everything else was part of the question. Saha Yajnavalkya hovacha yad urdhvam gargi divaha yad urdhvam panchami. Yad avak prithivya, that which is below the prithvi. Yad antara dyava prithivi, that which is in the middle of dyava and prithvi, dyuloka and prithviloka. Ime, and them also, yad bhutancha bhavaccha bhavishyaccha, what is known as past, present and future. Means what was there in the past, present and future. It is not only now. Earlier also it was like that. Later also, as long as Srishti continues, it is going to be like this. Where Akashe tad otancha protancha. So Akasha here means Ishvara. भाष्य सहोवाच इतरो हे गार्गी यत्त्वयोक्तम ऊर्ध्वम दिव इत्यादि. सह याज्ञवल्क्य होवाच. Yajnavalkya ji said, the one who is the itara, other. Saha itara uvacha. He gargi yat tvaya uktam, whatever you said, urdhvam diva ityadi, means the whole question. Then you said tat sarvam yat sutram achakshate, whatever is there which is known as sutram, Hiranyagarbha. Tat sarvam dvaita jatam. This was already there in the mantra. Tad sutram akashe tad otancha protancha. In akasha, sutra is otam protam. Sutram is in Dvitiya, akasha saptami. Akashe sutram otam cha protancha. Prathama, sutram prathama. Sutram akashe otancha protancha. So akasha is the adhisthana. Tika tam vyachashte yadetat vyakritam sutratmakam. Before that, see the Krodapatra. Krodapatra means that star sign. Yadetat vyakritam ityadi vartate iti antabhashya tatparyam. Shmadyetat sutra paryantam nashadurdhvam janehe pura akashe tada vignatam satta matrena vidyate. Shma means Prithvi. Shmadi etat sutra paryantam, starting from the earth all the way up to sutra. नाशाद ऊर्ध्वम, before everything gets destroyed. Janehe pura, before the creation comes into being. Nashad urdhvam, after their dissolution, before they come into being. Where are they? Akashe tad avijñatam satta matrena vidyate. In Ishvara, everything is existing as satta matra. यावद्धि जनिमत किंचिन नामादि प्रविभागवत आकाशस्तस्य सर्वस्य तत्वमत्र विवक्षितम्. यावद्धि जनिमत किंचित, एनीथिंग दैट इज सब्जेक्ट टू बर्थ. नामादि, starting from nama etc. Pravibhagavat, the distinctions are known through nama. Akashastasya sarvasya tattvam. Akasha is the tattvam of all of that. On next page, in that Vartika, after 12 lines, where it says 14-29, after that, leave 2 lines and then see. Ajñatam brahmaiva jagataha tattvam. Iti etad upapadaitum kalpitatvam tasya sadayati vyatirekam iti. Ajñat Brahma itself is Jagataha Tattvam. Iti etad upapadaitum tasya kalpitatvam. Tasya Jagataha kalpitatvam. What is meant by Ajñatam Brahma eva Jagataha Tattvam? Ajñata Rajju Sarpasya Tattvam. When Rajju is not known, it appears as Sarpa. Therefore, Sarpa is Kalpita. So, Jagat Yavat Satyam Jagat Bhati Shuktika Rajatam Yatha Tatha
तथा
Yavan Jnayate Brahma Sarvadhishthanam Advayam. Tavat Satyam Jagat Bhati Shuktika Rajatam Yatha. Just as Rajatam appears Satyam until Shuktika is not known. Jagat appears Satyam until Brahma is not known. So, where should I find Ishvara, my Ishta? In Jagat. In my day-to-day Vyavahara, that is my Ishvara. This is where I have to find Bhagavan. Not in one Murti separately. Yad etad avyakritam. Yad etad vyakritam in Bhashya. Yad etad vyakritam सूत्रात्मकम जगत अव्याकृत आकाशे अपसु इव पृथ्वी धातु त्रिषु अपि कालेषु वर्तते उत्पत्तौ स्थितौ लये च. This vyakritam सूत्रात्मकम जगत, व्याकृत जगत अव्याकृत आकाशे तिष्ठति. In the अव्याकृत आकाश. How? Apsu iva prithvi dhatuhu. Prithvi dhatu, how it is existing in jalam. In the same way, trishu api kaleshu vartate. Utpatti sthitau laye cha. In all the three. Tika. Yad jagat vyakritam sutratmakam. Sutratma is considered as vyakrita. Hiranyagarbha is manifest. Sutratmakam. Etad avyakrita akashe vartate. And akasha, Ishvara is avyakrita. So etad means tat shabda. Tippanikar says. Iti sambandha. Trishu api kaleshu. Iti yad uktam tad vyanakti. In all the three periods of time. Means utpattau sthiti sitau layacha. So this Akasha Shabda comes in Chandogya 8th chapter. Akasho vai nama nama rupayor nirvahita. In this way. So that is what is referred here. Now see the next mantra. Sahovacha namaste astu yagnivalkya yoma etam vyavochaha vyavocho parasmai dharayasveti pruchagargiti. Sa gargi hovacha namaste astu yagnivalkya. Salutations to you, O Yagnivalkya. Yome etam vyavochaha. Vyavochaha vi avochaha. कर्तरी लुंग लगा मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन अवोचः अपरस्मै धारयस्व. The other one now you hold. Means one arrow I shot, you cut it. Second arrow I am going to shoot in the form of question. He says Pruchagargi, ask. Now why this namaste astu? One line only will see in Bhashya. See. Punah sahovacha namaste astu ityadi. Why she was so pleased? Prashnasya durvachatva pradarsanartham. This difficult, the question was difficult to answer. Durvachatvam prashnasya. 6 number tippani duruttaram uttaran hi namaskaryo bhavati. Duruttam uttaran. That which is difficult to answer and you answered. So you are worthy of namaskar. Why? You should think this way. When you are somewhere, can I see anything beyond sthula? Does it come to my buddhi? Can sukshma prapancha come to my buddhi? If sukshma comes, then karana. Akasha is karana. So, common person, common means those who so-called study also, all of us, even for us to comprehend that there is some Ishvara Tattva, Avyakrita. Entire sthula prapancha itself doesn't come to me in my buddhi. And this sthula see, I can have Ishta Buddhi in one Vigraha. This is my Ishta Devata. Entire Virat is my Ishta. This is difficult. Thereafter, there is something called Samashti Sukshma Sharira, Sukshma Prapancha, upahita chaitanya, called Hiranyagarbha. That is even more difficult. Every time when I think of Sthula, to bring that Sukshma. And then there is Ishvara, which governs, which functions through all this Sthula and Sukshma, in which Sthulam and Sukshma is Otam Protam. So that's why this Gargi said, this itself is so difficult to answer. Durvachatvam prashnasya. Means answering question is one thing. But to take my thinking to that level, if I want to be Brahmishta, then this is the path. So if I can bring, means my mind is so calm that I can bring that avyakrita, then only I will be able to evolve from there and understand that which is beyond all. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya Pada. Prathama Pada itself doesn't come to my buddhi completely. Then it will be difficult to go forward. Impossible. Studying Brahadaranyaka means I have to keep myself in Aranya, solitude of the forest. Then this will work. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.